All right, people. Welcome back to the channel. I am Man this man, and this is I Am Sure Sports. This is your Diamond League update. Yes, you know that the Diamond League today, this morning, was in Poland. Yes, in Poland it was, and we're just going to give you a couple of results that you need to know. You need to know what really happened over there. So here's what you have to do for me first. Make sure you go right now. Just hit that X, go, like, subscribe, and share. Three things: like, subscribe, and share. Very important, so you can help the channel to grow. And thank you so much to every single one of you who have been supporting I Am Sure Sports. All right, keep the support coming, keep the support going. All right, in the Diamond League, just give you two results, right? Two big result. Sharika Jackson of Jamaica, right? She was in the 200 meters. She was in a field with Gabby Thompson, you know her, of the United States. Also in that was Shawnee Miller, but it was an easy victory for Jamaica's Sharika Jackson. She won in 21.84. Miller Ebo was second. She clocked 22.35. So you can see by that it was a comfortable win for Sharika Jackson. She had a very good last 80 meters. I don't think this was the best I've seen her on the curve, so you know that there's a lot of improvement to come, but big up to Sharika Jackson. But one of the other big events was in the 100 meters. Yes, the 100 meters. Wow. Again, Mama Rocket. They call her Mommy Rocket. Mama Rocket. That is, guess who? Shelly and Fraser Pryce. Again, going in the 10.6. This time, she surpassed her past season best 10.67 with a time of 10.66 in the 100 meters. That is Shelly and Fraser Pryce. She's at that peak time of her career. So great run by Shelly. 10.66, and if she can keeping up this form, doing all of this, imagine what is going to happen in Budapest, Hungary next year when there's a next world championship. Want her to stay healthy, want her to stay fit. Listen, this independence has been very good for Jamaica. We even got a gold and a bronze at the Commonwealth Games in the high jump for female. Yes, with Liston and Williamson in the high jump. Lamar Distant won, and Kimberly was third. So good start to the independence. We have many more events coming up for our track athlete as we celebrate our golden jubilee, 60 years. We getting medals on top of medals on top of medals on top of money for the athletes. So big up to all the athletes. Well done, people. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to I Am Sure Sports. I'm Man's man. It is, you notice what I'm wearing as well. This is the yellow and green and yellow and green. Yeah, Ali Cup. Bless up. Love is in the house. Man is man. I'm over, people, and I am out.